Hello viewers, I, Professor Parthankar Chaudhary, Dean, Ecology and Environmental Science, Assam University, would like to share with you some thoughts. It is that in the past few decades, due to ever increasing need and greed of man, the quality of the environment has undergone deterioration. There is no denying fact that global warming, climate change, melting of ice caps, flood and famine, various types of pollutions, extinction of flora and fauna, all are due to environmental disturbances. Environmental issues have become serious health threats to all human beings. Thus, environment conservation has become priority not just in our country India but for each and every country of the world. The problems, especially the environmental problems that we are facing today, is due to lack of environmental consciousness among the individual people. Lack of proper implementation of environment related laws, acts and rules are the other causes. Here at this point, environmental awareness plays a pivot role, a great role. Social media platforms like Facebook, X, formerly Twitter, Instagram, and various news portals and many newspapers provides great opportunity to highlight all the positive and negative incidences that are directly concerned about environment. This is being done not only at the local level but at both regional, national and even global level. All these actions have in turn contributed to enhance awareness about the current environmental status. In today's world, environmental awareness is a pressing need, I must say, to make the people have an understanding and realization of the environmental hazards and to initiate actions starting from the individual level to group or community level and even to national or even international level. The greatest impact of environmental awareness is its contribution to public support for government actions to formulate environmental policy and management to ensure the sustainable future for mankind all over the world. I thank Mr. Ankit Tiwari and Madam Bhavna Pathak of Media Dictionary Channel for bringing out these important issues in front of public for developing mass awareness among the people. Thank you.